Have you ever felt like someone is watching you online? Every click, every search, every site you visit, it all feels tracked. In today's digital world, our privacy is constantly at risk. We're all just a few clicks away from potential data theft, identity fraud, or having our personal information sold to the highest bidder. It's a scary thought, right? If your data falls into the wrong hands, the consequences can be devastating. Imagine someone getting access to your bank details, your private messages, or your browsing history. It can lead to financial loss and a massive invasion of your personal life. I remember this one time I was shopping online for a new pair of sneakers. Literally minutes later, my social media feeds were flooded with ads for those exact shoes. It felt a bit creepy, like my every move was being monitored and monetized. It made me realize just how exposed I was. That feeling of being watched, of not having control over my own digital footprint, was what pushed me to find a solution. That solution, for me and for millions of others, is a VPN, or a virtual private network. A VPN is like a secure, private tunnel for your internet connection. It encrypts your data and hides your IP address, making it nearly impossible for anyone to spy on what you're doing online. It's your first line of defense against hackers, trackers, and even your own internet service provider from snooping on your activity. But once you start looking, you see a huge range of options. There are VPNs that cost $10 a month and others that are only $2 or $3. This brings up the big question, are expensive VPNs really that much better than the cheap ones? Is there a real difference? Well, the answer is a bit more complicated than a simple yes or no. The price of a VPN often comes down to a few key factors: speed, the number of servers, security features, and customer support. A more expensive VPN might offer blazing fast speeds because they invest in a massive global network of high-quality servers. This means less buffering when you re-streaming your favorite shows or less lag when you re-gaming. They also tend to have more advanced security protocols, like a kill switch that automatically cuts your internet if the VPN connection drops, ensuring your data is never accidentally exposed. Another major difference is the logging policy. This is a big one. Premium VPN providers usually have a strict no-logs policy, which is often verified by independent third-party audits. This means they don't keep any records of your online activity. You are truly anonymous. Some cheaper or even free VPNs, on the other hand, might log your data and sell it to advertisers to make money. It's a classic case of if you're not paying for the product, you are the product. So while you're saving a few bucks, you might actually be giving up the very privacy you're trying to protect. But that doesn't mean all cheap VPNs are bad. Some budget-friendly options are fantastic and offer a great balance of features for the average user. They might have fewer servers or slightly slower speeds, but they can still provide solid security and privacy. The trick is knowing what to look for. You need to consider what you'll be using the VPN for. Are you a casual user who just wants to secure your connection on public Wi-Fi? A cheaper, reputable VPN might be perfect. Or are you a power user who needs top-tier speed for streaming in 4000 and maximum security for sensitive work? Then investing in a premium service might be worth it. It's all about finding the right fit for your needs and your budget. The most expensive option isn't always the best for everyone, and the cheapest isn't always a good deal. To help you navigate all of this, I've put together a comprehensive guide that breaks down everything you need to know. We dive deep into the specific features that matter, compare some of the top providers at different price points, and help you figure out what's truly worth your money. You can find the link to that full guide in the description below. Ultimately, protecting your online privacy is an investment in your digital security and peace of mind. Whether you choose a $10 a month service or a $2 one, the most important thing is to choose a reputable provider that you can trust. Don't leave your digital door unlocked. Take the time to do your research, check out our guide, and find the VPN that's right for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.